My name is Maren Shoemaker, and this is SAS Viya 8. So I started out by going into SAS Viya and opening up demo 4.1. So we're going to start by we're going to change the settings up here, and we're going to select the username and then settings. And then on the left side, we're going to select General under SAS Viya Analytics. And then we're going to scroll down to default titles for new objects, which is right here. And then for graphs, we're going to change no title to custom title. And then we are going to press close. So from here, we're going to hide the data items. So in the left pane, we're going to click data. In the upper right corner of the data pane, we're going to click the data menu, which is right here. And we're going to select show or hide data items. And then from here, we are going to click that, and it will remove all. That's the remove all button. And then we're going to double click the following. So we're going to want customer, age group. We are going to want to have frequency selected as well. We are going to want to have number of orders selected. We are going to want order month selected. And then we are going to want to have profit selected as well. And then we're going to click OK. And we can see that for the categories, we have customer, age group, and order month. For measure, we have frequency and profit. And for the aggregated measure, it's the number of orders. So then we're going to create a pie chart. So in the left pane, we are now going to click Objects. And we are going to drag over a pie chart. So we're going to assign the data. So for category, we're going to select customer age group. For measure, we're going to change frequency to number of orders. And then press OK. And then press close. And this is what it should look like. So below the pie chart, we're going to right click on customer age group. And we're going to select sort up here. And then we're going to do it ascendingly. So this is the new So then we are going to double click the title where it says untitled. And we're going to enter number of orders by customer age group. And then in the right pane, we're going to click options. And in the object group for the name field, we are going to enter orders by age group. And then in the pie group, we're going to clear the pie label. And this is what it will look like. So then in the left pane, I'm going to open up another tab. In the left pane, we're going to click Objects, and we're going to click Bar Chart. And we're going to drag it over. And then for the roles, we're going to assign Category is going to be order month. And then the measure, we're going to change it from frequency to profit. Hit OK. And then for a measure role, we're also going to have number of orders. Click OK. And this is what it should resemble. Because profit and number of orders have different ranges, that's why they're displayed in two different charts compared to one. So then we're going to right click the bar chart and select change bar chart to down here. And we're going to select dual axis bar chart right here. Okay. So once it changes in the dual axis bar chart, the horizontal axis, we're going to right click over order month, and then we're going to select sort up at the top like we did in the last one, and we're going to make that ascending. And then in the right pane, we're going to click options, which is already clicked. And then for the object groups in the name field, we're going to type in profit and orders. And then in the title field, we are going to enter profit and number of orders by month. And then on the x-axis options group, we are going to clear, once we get to it, the x-axis options group, we're going to clear axis label. And then this is what it should now look like right here. And then this is what it looks like all together with the chart and the pie chart, this profit and orders by date, and then the bar chart. And that's the end of part 1. Part 2, the second section of SAS 8. So we're going to make sure we're in editing mode, and we're going to create a geocoordinate map to the left of the bar chart. So we're going to go into objects. We're going to scroll down to geocoordinate, and we're going to drag it over. So for the object name, we are going to have average profit by country. For the object custom title, we're going to have average profit by country. And then for the object, we are going to do geocoordinate and then legend visibility. We are going to have that off, making sure that these are off. And then we're going to assign the following data items. So for geography, we're going to have the employee country. For color, we're going to have average profit. And then I'm going to go over here. We're going to roles over here. And then the data tip values, we're going to take out employee country and just have average profit. And this is what it should look like. So we're going to maximize the geomap and answer the following questions. So which country has the highest average profit? So you can do this by maximizing it. And you can see that Denmark does. And then which country has the highest number of employees? So you can do the So then we're going to create a dual axis bar chart at the bottom of the canvas. So we are going to go up here and put it right under both of these, if it'll let me. There we go. So we're gonna first go over to options and click this, and then we're going to assign date first. So the category is anniversary month. The measure bar is number of employees. Oh, actually, we're gonna go, and we're actually gonna do this dual axis. So I'm gonna delete this one. We're going to go back and we're going to assign it as we were in the last one, so the category being anniversary month. The measure bar being number of employees, this one being anniversary month, and then the measure line being average profit. And then we're going to close that. The object name is going to be employees and profit by anniversary. And that is also going to be the custom title. And then line markers. We're going to have line markers selected. So then from here, I'm going to close this side pane, and you can see that number of employees that had the most hired was January, and then contains the most employees that generate the highest average profit. That one is July. And then this is what the final report looks like. So this is the final part of SAS 8. So we're going to start by going and clicking options in the right pane, and we're going to use the drop down list at the top of the options pane to select the report, which is Viya 1 Demo 4.2a. And then in the viewer customization group, we're going to select data edits. And we're going to put it all the way up there. And then, so we're then going to create a new page. In this page in the upper left corner, so we add from page 1, we're going to double click it, make it editable, which we already did. And then we're going to click page 1 and make it active. We're going to then select rename page, and then we're going to enter customer order. Analysis, press enter, and that is now named that. And then we're going to move the profit and orders by month bar chart to a new page. So this is done by right clicking on the bar chart, and then we're going to select move to, and then we are going to select move to delivery analysis or page 2. So we're going to then rename this as well to change that to delivery analysis. So then we are going to click on customer order analysis and make it active now, and this is Now,